Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different on the channel. We're going to be taking a look at this Milwaukee Shockwave 1/4" bit set and going over a few alternative ideas. So at any point, let me know in the comments if you have any ideas or suggestions. I'd love to hear them. But anyways, if you have one of these sets laying around, it don't have to be Milwaukee. It can be DeWalt, Klein, Harbor Freight. It doesn't matter. That's not the point of the video. This is about getting the most out of these sets. A lot of us have these laying around and we're not really using them. You might have picked one up around the holidays or got one on sale for Black Friday, but we're going to look at 3 tools that you can add to this set to make it a standalone set and kind of get the most out of it. First thing I did was these little bit rails. They came on this side and I moved them over here, and the reason I did that is because I wanted to accommodate a screwdriver. This screwdriver is the Klein Tools 32611P, and moving those over gave me room to put it right here, and it'll actually slide into this little bit holder. And when it's in there, it stays in there pretty good. So that's one screwdriver you can use with this set. And the reason I picked this screwdriver is because it's 1/4" drive, and it's got your precision bits on the back, so you can use it either way. Like I said, it's all 1/4" drive, so any of these bits will work. Just slide them in there, and you got your little spin cap on the back. Another good screwdriver to use with this set would be the Klein Tools ratchet and stubby. I actually just pulled the little shaft out that came with it, and then you can use any of these bits. Again, it's 1/4" drive. If you want to use this little bit holder, pop it in there. Use smaller bits, doesn't matter, whatever fits your needs. That's another good one. This is the 32561 HDRT Klein Tools. The last tool I want to suggest for this bit set is the Wera 1/4" bit ratchet. And the reason I suggest this is because it's a ratchet, so obviously you can get more leverage on it and get your hand around it and, you know, torque down a little bit more. It's got your forward and reverse switch right there. So if you're using this like an automotive type deal to keep in your car, that'd probably be the better option over, you know, these tools. But another thing about it too is it fits in here really nicely, and it'd be nice to have some type of way to mount it in there. So if y'all have any ideas about that, maybe like a magnet, or use these little rails right here to make something to go across to hold it in place, let me know in the comments what y'all's thoughts and ideas are on that. I'm going to wrap this video up. I just wanted to share a few ideas I had, and I hope it was helpful. But if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.